Gear Speed Hub is your trusted source for the latest automotive reviews, insights, and futuristic vehicle showcases. Today, we take a deep dive into the 2026 Toyota Voxy, a premium MPV that has been redesigned with smarter tech, improved efficiency, and a bold new personality to meet the needs of modern families and urban drivers. The 2026 Toyota Voxy presents a refined exterior with a boxy yet sleek design that reflects both spaciousness and sharp styling. The front grille is more aggressive, paired with slim, high-tech LED headlights and a sporty bumper that gives it a confident road presence. The sides are clean and practical, featuring powered sliding doors that open with a touch or gesture. The rear design has also been updated with futuristic taillights and a wide-opening tailgate for easier cargo access. Under the hood, the Toyota Voxy 2026 is offered with both a petrol and a hybrid powertrain. The hybrid variant uses Toyota's latest generation of hybrid synergy drive, combining a 1.8-liter engine with an electric motor to deliver smooth, silent, and fuel-efficient driving, especially suited for city commutes and long family trips. The ride quality is improved with upgraded suspension, better chassis balance, and noise insulation that makes the cabin exceptionally quiet. Speaking of the cabin, the Voxy 2026 is all about comfort, flexibility, and space. It comfortably seats 7 to 8 passengers, depending on the variant, with individual captain seats available in the second row for added luxury. The seats are wrapped in high-quality fabric or optional leatherette, and the layout is customizable with sliding, folding, and reclining functions that let you create more cargo room or passenger comfort in seconds. The dashboard has been fully modernized, featuring a floating-style infotainment screen with smartphone connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, and an onboard assistant that responds to voice commands. Behind the wheel, the driver gets a digital instrument cluster and a multifunction steering wheel with smart controls at their fingertips. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either, with individual AC vents, USB ports, ambient lighting, and foldable tray tables for comfort during long drives. Technology is at the heart of the Voxy 2026 experience. Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite is standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. A 360-degree camera system and parking sensors make city driving and tight parking much easier and safer. Another highlight of the Voxy is its practicality. The rear luggage area is deep and square, ideal for families who need to carry strollers, groceries, or travel bags. The smart tailgate can be opened hands-free using a foot sensor, and roof rails are available for extra utility. Fuel economy is improved in the 2026 version, and with the hybrid model, drivers can expect great mileage with very low emissions, making it an eco-friendly option for the environmentally conscious. Toyota has also made this MPV ready for the digital era. Through the Toyota Connected app, users can remotely start the engine, check vehicle status, schedule maintenance, and even set geofencing for young drivers. It's these little touches that bring peace of mind and convenience in everyday use. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Voxy is a stylish, practical, and tech-savvy multi-purpose vehicle built for modern families and professionals who need comfort, safety, and space in a smart-looking package. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or heading out on a weekend getaway, the Voxy delivers a balanced experience with style and intelligence. Stay with Gear Speed Hub for more expert reviews and future-forward vehicle updates. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up with all our latest content on the most exciting automotive releases around the world.